Water abundantly flows out of the lofty Japan Alps, also called the roof of Japan. These mountains of the central Japan region generate precious timber, such as Japanese cypress and cedar, as well as high-quality clay, and most notably, vast fertile farmland. The region exhibits an enterprising spirit, as it has historically produced many of Japan's leaders. A common trait of these leaders was their respect, protection, and promotion of craftspeople who processed the land's resources to manufacture items. In this way, countless traditional industries, including woodworking, silk, iron blacksmithing, ceramics, and food processing, were inherited and developed over hundreds of years in this region. Central Japan was also a strategic point of traffic and had a major road running through it from long ago. As more people, goods, and information became integrated after the Second World War, industries grew more sophisticated. The region became central to Japan's manufacturing and led the country's economic growth and produced numerous world-class companies. The enterprising ethos is still present in the central Japan region. This spirit of layering innovation atop tradition is deeply ingrained in each individual involved in manufacturing and continues to evolve in the central Japan region. Let's take a look at the essence of central Japan's manufacturing with tradition and innovation. The central Japan region thrives between the vast Pacific Ocean and towering mountains referred to as Japan's roof. Literally, the central area of the Japanese archipelago, the region includes the 5 prefectures of Aichi, Gifu, Mie, Shizuoka, and Nagano. Adding the prefectures of the Hokuriku region on the Sea of Japan side, the 9 prefectures forming the region-wide tourist route are collectively called the Shoryu-do, that promotes major sightseeing destinations of Japan. Along with the Tokyo metropolitan area and the Kansai region, the central Japan region forms Japan's 3 major economic zones and is located in the middle. For this reason, central Japan has developed important traffic routes by land, sea, and air that distribute many products and people every day. Together with the expansion of highway networks, a logistics system of road cargo transport services rapidly advanced. The railway network, including the Shinkansen, is also evolving, and the opening of the Chuo Shinkansen will further significantly reduce travel time. Also, with a 24-hour international airport and harbor directly connecting central Japan to major cities of the world, we can say that the transportation and logistics network that supports the region's industries is very well appointed. Let's look at the representative industries of the central Japan region. Japan's automotive industry boasts the world's leading scale and technology. Central Japan is also where companies compete for the top production volume in the world, and many automobile, motorcycle, and related manufacturers have integrated. Even now, the region has continued to propose to the world an even more advanced era of mobility, such as the launch of the first ever fuel cell vehicle powered by hydrogen. In the aircraft industry, The area manufactures 35% of Boeing 787 aircraft components, and the Central Japan area is specified as the nation's comprehensive special zone for international competitiveness. The MRJ, the highly anticipated next-generation regional jet aircraft, is also a product of this region. Similarly, a commercial satellite was successfully launched by the H-2 rocket made in the region, and now a new rocket is being collaboratively developed by public and private sectors with the aim of increased reliability and cost reduction. In 1964, the Tokaido Shinkansen opened in the Central Japan region. The Shinkansen that boasts over 50 years of accident-free safety and punctuality has repeatedly evolved and now covers most of Japan. And the Shinkansen system has also been proposed to the world as a national campaign. Currently, construction is underway for the 2027 opening of the Chubu Shinkansen, which will connect Tokyo and Nagoya in approximately 40 minutes. Commercial operation that exceeds 500 kilometers per hour will become possible with the linear railway system, and this intensified relation between the Central Japan and Tokyo metropolitan areas will form a super mega region. With development of its own products, the precision machinery industry, electronics, and electronic machinery will simultaneously provide key devices for electronic and precision equipment to companies around the world. Japan's machinery industry boasts the highest level of production and reliability in the world. Central Japan has many global companies and continues to provide mother machines that support manufacturing of the world, adding ultra-high precision, multifunctionality, high efficiency, and evolution of intelligence. Additionally, the textile machinery manufacturer that produces looms with the world's top market share is also located in the Central Japan region. The Central Japan region has a variety of industries rooted in each area. The ceramic industry, with a history of 1,000 years, is blessed with an abundance of high-quality clay, and various areas of Central Japan have produced unique products. The region is also home to furniture production, which makes use of the plentiful high-class wood, as well as a foundry industry applied in various fields. There is also the world-renowned musical instrument industry, whose superiority is prized by famous musicians, not to mention miso, Japanese sake, and other products of the brewing industry, which form the foundation of washoku, a UNESCO intangible cultural heritage. Various industries, even bound by tradition, continue to evolve to reflect the era and thrive as local industries using their high quality and accuracy to their advantage. The ceramic industry, which developed by making use of the excellent clay and timber for fuel, has perfected tableware manufacturing. With quality and design recognized by the world, the industry has extended to the world's top fine ceramics. The DPF high-performance exhaust gas filter used in diesel engines boasts an overwhelming global share, and the area produces insulators for ultra-high 1 million volt transmission lines. And did you know that the NAS battery, which has made megawatt power storage possible through advanced ceramic technology, is also a fine ceramic product? The karakuri ningyo mechanical dolls used in floats at festivals also have their foundation in the craftsmanship of Central Japan. The region is nestled in the natural environment and has high-quality timber, Woodworking masters used this wood to make functional furniture, and sophisticated woodworking technology accumulated and eventually led to engineering of mechanical gadgets. In addition, this region, said to be the first place of cotton cultivation, became a major textile production area, which led to the development of robotics, machinery, and other mechanical industries. Elaborate woodworking technology was used to create the machine technology for the loom and power transmission. This is a famous story in Japan of the origin of the world-famous automobile manufacturer. On the other hand, fiber technology, which began from fabric manufacturing, developed into carbon fiber technology, which is used to reduce the weight of aircraft and motor vehicles. And now, with the latest technologies, including robotics and AI, artificial intelligence, the Central Japan industry is heading to a further dimension. Blessed with materials which form the foundation of various industries, Central Japan leads the world in the field of fundamental research dozens of years into the future. Research results, to surprise the world, are conceived by various studies, facilities, and masterminds behind the Nobel Prize. Based on basic research through industry-academia cooperation, innovations have begun in the Central Japan region for changing the future. The roots of Central Japan manufacturers that lead the world's industries can all be traced back to each individual's skills and craftsmanship. The techniques and inquiring minds of these people have led to the numerous cutting-edge industries and culminate as the highly advanced Central Japan manufacturing of today. What is always present in the hearts of those manufacturers? It is awe and respect of nature which brings well-being and sustenance to our lives. It is the Japanese spirit of wa. It is the desire to be in harmony with nature and people. At the forefront of the world, this harmony flows through the roots of many of the products and will continue to develop and churn out earth and people-friendly products. With vast plains and water carried by rivers from the mountains and the relatively mild climate, the Central Japan region, blessed by natural bounty, also ships out agricultural products and food, such as vegetables and flowers. The charms of Central Japan are found with the rich seasons and nurtured by the beauty of nature. Here exists love for nature and tradition and innovation, of cherishing wa, harmony, while accepting what is new. Please discover the spirit of this country as it continues to be handed down in Central Japan.